Good morning, children. Hope all of you are fine and keeping safe. Now, in last lecture, we had talked about different tribes and culture, and in that we had started with the dance form, which was very renowned dance form from India, that is Ghumar. After that, we talked about a dance form which is from Hawaiian Islands, and the dance form is known as hula. Now, after hula, we had talked about a festival which is celebrated in India, which is Navratri festival. Now, moving further, today also we will be talking about a festival which is a carnival of Rio de Janeiro. Then after that we will be learning about two tribes of two tribes. First one, Bhils, which are very common in India, and second tribe are Desanas tribe, which are found along the Amazon river. So starting with the chapters, like first, as I had told you, we will be talking about the carnival which is known as Carnival of Rio de Janeiro. So let us see what is there, and we will continue with the content from the book. So now we will start with the festival Carnival of Rio de Janeiro. So just starting with the carnival in Rio de Janeiro, which is in Brazil, is considered the world biggest carnival with 2 million people participating every day in this week long festivity. So this means the festival lasts for a week. It is popularly referred to as the world largest party. The festival is also known as the world's largest party. The carnival is filled with music, dance, parades, and lots of fun. The main carnival takes place in the Sambadrome Stadium, but street festivals thronged by large number of locals are also popular among visitors. So, though the festival takes place in the stadium, which is known as Sambadrome, but we have many festivals and the parades which takes place on the roads in the city. The carnival celebration in Rio de Janeiro dates back to 1723. Like it started in 1723. It came to Brazil along with Portuguese immigrants who called the festival Entrudo. The Portuguese first brought this festival to Brazil, and then it started to be celebrated every year. The carnival marks the beginning of Lent, the 40-day sacrifice period before Easter. It starts on Friday and end on Ash Wednesday, with the winners parade happening on Saturday after the carnival ends. So a week long festival is there, different parades are taken out. Then we have a winners parade. It is officially a 6-day long celebration, but many people extend it even to the 10 days. So the festival is celebrated, though it's a week long festival or 6 days festival, but it is celebrated up to 10 days. The major attraction of the carnival is the dancers wearing masks and colorful costumes, dancing to the beats of drum and music. Samba being the most prevalent form of dancing here. So most of the dancers, they dance the samba, which is a very popular form of dance. Samba, originating from the Bahia region with African beats and music, came to Rio de Janeiro in 1920. So samba actually is it has come in 1920. Before that it was normal dancing. The climax of the whole carnival festival in Rio de Janeiro is the competition of samba schools with their sister samba schools. So when different schools, or when different different participants they come out, then they participate also, and then there is a competition between those parades, between those schools which come to participate here. Each school chooses a theme and works to build the best floats, costumes, lyrics, and aesthetics. So every parade or every participant, it works on a theme, and then they start accordingly. They build their floats, their costume is on a particular theme, then they choose a song which is on the theme, and the aesthetics, the decorations, and the everything which revolves around the theme is taken into consideration. Now, to represent their themes, which is known as enredo in carnival terminology. So the all these themes, they are known as enredo according to them. Now I will be reading some interesting facts about this festival. Carnival is believed to represent the tradition of Roman Catholics of abstaining from meat and alcohol on certain days as the method to drive away bad things from their life. So it is celebrated and people abstain from meat and alcohol during this festival. The tickets for carnival costs anywhere from $55 to 3,000 US dollars. So it is like costly. People come and buy the tickets to attend this festival or carnival, and like it starts from 55 American dollars and can go up to as expensive as 3,000 US dollars. So this was all about the carnival. Now we will be talking about the tribes which I had already told you. So moving further, today we will talk about the Bhils community. Now, before we move further, I will just show you some pics which are related to the festival. Let us have a look. See, you can see the parade, how colorful it is. Then we have, see it in this map, we can see the country Brazil, where this is celebrated. Then we have, it's a South American country again. This is a parade. You can see you can see different themed structures which are based, and the parade is going on. Now this is another with different theme. Now you can see the crowd which is attending the carnival. See some pictures related to that. See, people are having fun. And 40 days prayer fasting works of love. So people fast, and it is like they pray also, and they abstain from alcohol and meat. See, one has themed as Jesus. These are different pictures from the carnival, and you can see the people in the stadium. See, people are dancing. See different costumes, you can see. This is one of the samba dancer, and this is exactly where Rio de Janeiro is present. Now you can see its exact location. It's a seaside, I can say, place. Brazil is here. It is in the Brazil, so Rio de Janeiro is located here. So this was all. Now we will move further. We will talk about the next topic, which is tribes, in which we will be learning about the Bhils. It's a very common tribe in India. The Bhils or Bhil of India is the oldest and the largest tribe of South Asia, belonging to the race of pre-Aryans. The name Bhil is derived from Dravidian language word Billu or Billu, which means bow, and every Bhil family has a bow and arrow. Now, and swords. Bhil speaks an Indo-Aryan language which is known as Bhili. The tribe is majorly found in southern parts of Rajasthan, comprising 39% of the total population of the state, along with Gujarat, mountain regions of Madhya Pradesh, and some parts of Tirupura also. So we can see the majority of Bhils are found in the Rajasthan. Then we have, they are also found in states of Gujarat, then in the mountainous regions of Madhya Pradesh, and in some parts of Tripura also. These are also found in Sindh region of Pakistan. We can even see them in the Sindh region of Pakistan. They live in small villages and follow strict society norms set by them. They have no concept of temple, but their gurus perform various religious rights. Bhils have a colorful culture with Gair and Ghumar being their most famous folk dances. So they are colorful people with colorful cultures. Gair and Ghumar are the two dance forms which are very prominent in these in these tribes. Bhils are tall, well built with handsome features and are known for their truthfulness and simplicity. They used to be great hunters, but now the main source of their income is agriculture, animal husbandry, and poultry farming. So initially they used to be hunters, but since now hunting is banned, they have switched over to agriculture, then animal husbandry. They rear many animals and poultry also. They have remarkable sculpturing skills and have the traditional knowledge of manufacturing and repairing the agriculture equipments. Bhils indulge themselves in collecting and selling forest products, Ayurvedic medicines, and honey to earn a living. However, with the advent of civilization, the lifestyle of the Bhil has also changed substantially, and many of them have migrated from forests and hills to villages and townships for better standards of living. So, many of them, with the advent of technology and the changes, they have also moved from the forest and have started to live in the cities or around the villages which are nearer to those forests. So now moving to the interesting fact, according to the Ramayana, Lord Rama ate the pruned half-eaten bears of Shabri, who was from Bhil tribe. Everybody knows Shabri, so Rama had eaten half pruned bear from Shabri. She also belonged to the Bhil tribe. Then Baneshwar Fair is the main festival of Bhils dedicated to Lord Shiva. Though they do not believe in deities, but still they worship Shiva, and Baneshwar Fair is the main festival which is celebrated among these tribes. Now, this was all about Bhils. Now, moving to another tribe, which I told you, it is present in the areas around Desnas. But before that, we will see some pictures relating to Bhils. See, you can see very a lady with very prominent features. Then we have the areas where we can found the Bhil population. इंडिया में आपको यहाँ दिख रहा है, this is like Pakistan. Then we have Sindh. Pakistan में Sindh में Bhil population is there. Then you can see their houses made up of mud. Kacha houses are there. Then we have community members. See, they are dancing Ghumar. This is Ghumar and Gair dance. Upar we can see Ghumar, niche the Gair dance is there. Then now they have shifted to agriculture. This is animal husbandry, agriculture, and this is poultry farming. This is all. Oh, some see the natural things which have been like recovered. These are some things. चलिए. Now we will talk about the other tribe which is known as Desnas tribe. Let us see what is the main features of these tribal people. The Desna tribe is the native tribe of Amazon region in South America. It has a small population of 1500 to 1550 people in all, which are found scattered along the Rio Negro River, a tributary of the mighty Amazon River. So the tribe has very limited number of people remaining. Almost around 1500 people, 1500 to 1550 people are there in the tribe. The tribe occupies about 4000 square kilometer of rainforest area. Amazon have rainforest, so they occupy around 4000 square feet of the area, square kilometer of the area. Some settlements of the tribe are also found in Brazilian territory. Some are also found in Brazil. The Desna people believe that they were created by Tucano, the god, the father. So they believe that they have been created by the god. They call themselves the sons of the wind, as they believe to have deep rooted relationship with nature. Religion is an essential part of Dasana life. Boys of 5 to 6 years of age are guided, controlled, and also severely disciplined by their fathers and elders. They are taught from early years to conserve natural resources and to acquire and value traditions of the tribe, so they cannot move against their culture and traditions. The Dasanas are multilingual people because they follow the practice of marrying outside their clan to have a spouse speaking a different language. So they are multilingual, they marry within the tribes and prefer the spouses which can speak many languages, so the next generation or the progeny becomes multilingual. Consequently, in any village several languages are used, and as a result several languages are used by these people. The language of the man, आदमियों की अलग भाषा है. The various languages spoken by the women who originate from different neighboring tribes. Then there's a widespread regional trade language, which is different from the normal language. They have great knowledge of herbs which they use for medicinal purposes. The primeval means of survival for Dasanas was hunting, but now they also carry out agriculture activities and follow slash and burn technique of horticulture. Slash and burn technique means once they grow crops, after that they harvest it. After harvesting, they just burn that area and wait for 2 3 years and do not do anything on that land. After 2 3 years again they come and start working on that land. So that is slash and burn technique of horticulture. Farming is done by females while the men hunt, and and fish for food. So man आपके women they are in agriculture, whereas the men still they go for hunting, they trap and they hunt fish for the food. So this was all. Now moving to some interesting fact about the Desanas. Let us see what is the fact. Each Desna tribe gives out a distinct odor which is deeply linked to their way of life. Now, on different occasions, Desna tribal paint their faces with various designs. So, Desnas they like paint their face also in different ways so that they like to represent their tribes. Now this was all about these two tribes and the carnival which we had talked. Now moving to page number 39, there is a exercise which is known as word scramble. So it is written, I will just read it out and please understand it. The exercises unscramble the words to reveal some vibrant form of art. It is related to art, a decorative art form in which colorful pieces of glass and stones are used to create a pattern. An art form where colorful pieces of glass or stones are used to make a pattern. We know that it is mosaic, Mosaic. Then, second is often described as one of the most creative art forms where colors are applied to a surface. ऐसा आर्ट फॉर्म जिसमें हम कलर्स यूज करते हैं, सरफेस के ऊपर कलर लगाते हैं, इट इज पेंटिंग. Now, third, the art form in which threads of yarns are interlaced to obtain various objects like baskets, carpets, and mats are some of the products of this art form. Interlacing is done, and through this interlacing, we get baskets, carpets, and mats. The art form is known as weaving. Now, a traditional form of making products in which decorative items are made by hand or by using simple tools. It is if we are using hands to make some decorative item, it is known as handicraft. Now, fifth, a widely known Indian art form where the floors are decorated with colored powder, rice, and flower petals, especially during the festival season. All of you know that. We do this in school also. It is Rangoli, right? An art form in which articles are made out of clay. After shaping the articles, they are dried and fired before being put to final use. ऐसे जिसमें हम मिट्टी से चीजें बनाते हैं, उसके बाद उसको ड्राई करते हैं और उसको फिर बेक किया जाता है. That art form is known as pottery. Now, and seventh, an ancient form of theater presented with the help of puppets. It is loosely based on social themes. Puppets का use करके जो हम art form होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? It is puppetry. An ancient form of theater a type of art form which is usually three dimensional. In this art form, statues are carved out of marble, wood, metal, glass or bones. जिसमें हम statues बनाते हैं and we use different mediums to make statues, be it marble, it can be stone, it can be metal, it can be wood. It is known as sculpturing. Now, ninth is the art, practice, or occupation of printing photographs. It involves producing images through the course of light. It is photography. Now, last, an art form where a particular story or a play is presented only through facial expressions. Charlie Chaplin was the most recognized artist of this form. This is mime. So with this we finish today's exercises. We had talked about carnival which takes place in Rio de Janeiro. Then we talked about two tribes. One was from India, which is Bhil, and other is from the Amazon area, rainforests of Amazon, which are known as Desnas tribe. Now before we move further, we will just see some pictures which are linked with the Desnas tribe. See, you can see small boys and girls sitting, and they have, see, markings, paintings on their faces. Another picture. Now this is the area where they stay. This is like the river Amazon, and they are found in this region near the Amazon. This is the rainforest. Different type of ferns, different type of large big trees can be seen, all green. Then we have, they call themselves as the son of wind, as they believe to have a deep rooted relationship with nature. See, they are dancing in groups. Again, pictures of boys and girls. See, he has used different color, he's used different color, and patterns also differ. So they are different tribes. The ladies are like, they are dancing, they are together. These are the males with painted faces. Now this is the area where they live. Now men are seen hunting in the rivers. They are catching the fish, welcoming a baby. Then again, they have different patterns on their faces. So this was all. So please read the contents from the book, and do your work related to these chapters, these pages. Write down the questions in your notebook and send on the group. This was all for today. Thank you. Now I will just stop here only.